Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. He works hard, he can pass. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. She sings, she plays the guitar. Option C is the correct answer. Question 3. He ran fast, he was late. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. He passed the test, he did not study. Option B is the correct answer. Question 5. I would buy it, I had money. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. He is rich, unhappy. Option A is the correct answer. Question 7. Stay here, I call you. Option D is the correct answer. Question 8. You will fail, you work hard. Option A is the correct answer. Question 9. The show started, we entered. Option A is the correct answer. Question 10. The weather is hot, we are going swimming. Option C is the correct answer. Question 11. I like cricket, football. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. Do your homework, you will be punished. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. She was sick, went to school. Option C is the correct answer. Question 14. He speaks loudly, clearly. Option B is the correct answer. Question 15. I did not go out, it was raining. Option B is the correct answer.